So what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 3rd, 2023. Here to talk about Chainlink today and show you some bearish signals off of the chart that could insinuate that Chainlink is becoming more bearish and doomed. Now, what I'm talking about in terms of being bearish is all being coordinated around this $12 area as resistance, as well as $10.60 as support. The market in Chainlink, I would say ever since October the 24th to today, has been inundated with a whole lot of selling occurring in this particular cryptocurrency. I say that because when you look at Chainlink here on this daily time frame, look at how many indicators of weakness we've seen as price has been trying to break above $12. This is a glaring sign that the market is becoming weaker. Now, one of the catalysts that I will say is a positive thing for the buyers is the fact that the price really hasn't reacted negatively to this selling pressure right now. You can even see it right now to the market in Chainlink today on the 3rd, that the weakness is still here, but the demand into the market in Chainlink is still there as well. Is this particular cryptocurrency going to be doomed to see price go lower? Let's take a look at the different time frames to figure it out, because if it is, then we need to anticipate and predict and forecast that the market in Chainlink is going to go lower. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. Take a look at these 2-day price bars here in Chainlink. So there is weakness being seen into the market in Chainlink, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this area and move it up here to where resistance is. This is where the sellers, every time the price in Chainlink comes to this level, it gets inundated, it gets hit with selling, price comes back down. So we cannot maintain any idea that the market is becoming more bullish until we see this price in Chainlink break above this area, $11.85. Take a look at this on the 3-day chart. These 3-day price bars is where all of the selling has incurred into the market in Chainlink. The last 3-day price bar, seeing the market close down here at the very bottom, well, it's not at the very bottom, but pretty low to the low of the bar, lets us know that their selling is still there, even with the volume increasing over the prior 3 days. Here's Chainlink on the 5. Take a look at Chainlink on the weekly time frame. Now we have 2 more days and 14 hours. I don't want to see the market in Chainlink close on the low, because if it does, then yeah, we need to be prepared to see this cryptocurrency move to the downside to go lower. Here it is on the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame in Chainlink was a fantastic month. So depending on your purview on what you suspect price to do, the monthly time frame still looks bullish. Now the price in Chainlink can come all the way back down to $9.50. It could even come down to this trend line and the market will still be bullish. So in the grand scheme of things, this particular cryptocurrency is still bullish. But just the timing aspect, like if this is going to be an entry, you all can tell that the current market here in Chainlink is still weak. Okay, we're still weak. Now currently on the hourly chart, you can see how the market support is coming in right around these areas. These would be the locations that we don't want to see the market in Chainlink break below, because if it does, then the weakness is going to increase and we're going to see price continue to go lower and possibly even touch this overall ascending line on our charts. Here's Chainlink on the 330-minute chart. Okay, so what we're seeing here on the 330-minute chart is the demand keeping in line with the selling. They're not letting the market fall. That continues, then the price in Chainlink may even break above $12 and we'll see another massive breakout in Chainlink. $13-hour chart, what do you guys think? $11-hour time frame, what do you think? Do this on the 7. What do you think? 15. So I think the market in Chainlink is going to try to figure itself out between, okay, do these buyers really want this market? Because if they do, they will have to continue to buy. They attempted on numerous occasions to try to break above $12, and they haven't been successful yet. So I'm not saying that it's not out the woods that the market in Chainlink is not going to go higher, but every day that goes on and the market is not above $12, the less likely it is that Chainlink will break above $12 and the market will go down. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Into the market in Chainlink, that the market is anticipated to give us slight weakness right now. Okay, so I'm not going to be massively bearish, but I do see how price is gaining momentum to go lower. Let me give you one more thing before I go. Okay, these are opportunities to where we were supposed to see Chainlink break above $12. This 7-hour bar right there. Okay, this 330-minute bar right here. We were supposed to see the market break above $12, but as you can see, it didn't even have the momentum to do that. So like I said, let's play a little bit of weakness into the market in Chainlink. Not going to be massively weak, but these will be the areas that I would be looking for the market buyers to prop up the market. Here's the first area, $10.93. I mean $10.36, 5.2% there. My second target is around like 960, which is around a 12% move to the downside. Okay. The third target would take us all the way back down to where the market once acted as resistance at $9.45. I really don't think it's going to go that low yet, but hey, if that weakness continues, we may even see it come all the way back down and test this trend line, which would be what? Let's see how far it is away. 26% move down. All right, so that's it. I'm finished. Everyone who is new, hit that like button and also subscribe. You're not going to get the simplistic way of understanding price predictions this way, except for here. You want to learn more? Join me. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.